Most buyers think that comparable sales determine strategy. They don't. Comps are historical data. Strategy is judgment applied to current conditions. Those are not the same thing. Comparable sales tell you what similar properties sold for in the past. They are backward looking. They reflect past market conditions, past competition, past leverage dynamics. Comps are necessary, but they're not sufficient. Here's the logical problem. If comps alone determine strategy, then two agents, the same data, would recommend the same approach, but they don't. Why? Because strategy is not just price justification. It is interpretation. Interpretation of current market phase, active competition, seller motivation, risk tolerance, and offer structure sequencing. Comps inform price. They do not determine leverage. Buyers often hear the comps support this number. That answers a pricing question. It does not answer a strategic question. In a competitive situation, the seller does not care about past comps. The seller cares about the offers in front of them. That changes leverage, and leverage changes strategy. When you hire a buyer's agent, you are not hiring their ability to pull data. You are hiring their ability to interpret data dynamically. Surface level comp analysis is common and baseline. Strategic comp interpretation is not. That difference shows up clearly under pressure. If you're interviewing agents right now, use my free strategic buyer agent interview blueprint to ask how they interpret comps in life conditions, not just what the comps are. The link is in the description or use the QR code on your screen. Next, we're going to talk about market phase because leverage changes depending on whether you're in a buyer's market or a seller's market. And most agents, if they mention it at all, mention it without actually adjusting for it. Click the video on your screen and let's dig in on market phase.